Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the total energy of this mass in British thermal units, BTU. The mass is 101 pound mass. We have a reference point and the mass is sitting below it, 21 feet. We have gravity at 31.7 feet per second squared. So this is an imperial or English unit question, or US customary, I suppose. Okay, so step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. We've got a reference point. We got a height of 21 feet. Since it's below the reference point, it will be a negative, and the mass is sitting at that position. So the mass is 101 pound mass, LBM. And then we've got the English unit version of gravity. Step 2, list all the given values and find the unknown. So we've got height, mass, gravity. We've got the unknown, which is potential energy. Step 3, find the formula for potential energy. So P is equal to mgz. A more common formula would be mgh. Okay, step 4, find the potential energy. So we just plug and play. So mass times gravity times the height. So 101 pound mass multiplied by gravity, 31.7 feet per second squared, minus the negative 21 feet. The negative, as said before, is because it's below the reference point. And then you also multiply by the conversion factor. 1 BTU per pound mass is equal to 25,037 feet squared per second squared. So your total potential energy is minus 2.6855 British thermo units. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down, while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. You can click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search and type in snipping tool and then open it. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Once you have it open, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Then hit the replay button in YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. So thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if there's a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.